Right, listen up. You're busy, hustling, chasing success. But that stubborn belly fat isn't going anywhere, is it? You think healthy cooking means hours in the kitchen? Rubbish. If you want to lose belly fat fast, these 3 Japanese meals will change your life. Each one takes under 10 minutes, less time than scrolling your feed or waiting for delivery. Forget bland diet food. These dishes burn fat, boost energy, and keep you full and focused. No more excuses. Today, you'll master your meals and your metabolism. These aren't just recipes. They're your new secret weapon for a leaner, more energetic you. Pay attention. This is quick, powerful, and will transform the way you eat. Let's get to it. Welcome to your new morning ritual. Meal 1, designed to transform your energy, focus, and metabolism before your day even begins. Forget the usual suspects like toast or sugary cereal. Those quick fixes might fill you up for a moment, but they leave you crashing and craving more before lunch. Today, we're making something different. Matcha-Turmeric Detox Egg Drop Soup. It's a vibrant, nourishing breakfast inspired by Japanese and wellness traditions. And it's about to become your favorite 5-minute habit. The best part? This entire breakfast comes together in under 5 minutes, so you can fuel your body even on the busiest mornings. Start by grabbing a small pot and setting it on the stove. Pour in your favorite broth. Chicken for a classic flavor, or vegetable for a lighter plant-based option. The warmth of the broth is the foundation for this metabolism-boosting meal. In a separate bowl, measure out a teaspoon of matcha powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric. These 2 superfoods are the stars of the show. Matcha for its gentle caffeine and antioxidants. Turmeric for its powerful anti-inflammatory benefits. Add a splash of hot water and whisk the powders together until you have a smooth, lump-free paste. This step unlocks the flavors and ensures your soup is silky, not gritty. Pour your vibrant green paste into the simmering broth. As you stir, watch the color come alive, a sign of all those antioxidants and nutrients infusing your breakfast. Next, crack 1 or 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk them lightly. Eggs are a perfect source of protein, helping you feel full and satisfied for hours. Stir the broth to create a gentle whirlpool, then slowly pour in the eggs. You'll see beautiful, silky ribbons form instantly. This is the signature of a perfect egg drop soup. Turn off the heat and let the residual warmth finish cooking the eggs. This keeps them tender and prevents overcooking. Add a splash of soy sauce for umami depth, and a pinch of white pepper for a gentle kick. These simple seasonings elevate the flavors and make your soup truly crave-worthy. Pour your finished soup into a bowl. Notice the vibrant green from the matcha, the golden hue from turmeric, and the delicate egg ribbons swirling through. This is breakfast as art. This breakfast isn't just beautiful, it's functional. Rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and high-quality protein, it's designed to support your immune system, reduce inflammation, and keep you energized. You'll feel satisfied, with fewer cravings, and a steady, sustained energy that lasts all morning. No more mid-morning crashes or reaching for unhealthy snacks. While your colleagues reach for greasy sandwiches or pastries, you'll have a clear mind and a light, energized body, ready to tackle whatever the day throws at you. Starting your day with this soup sets the tone for healthier choices all day long. It's a small act of self-care that pays off in focus, mood, and even your waistline. No more excuses. This 5-minute soup is your new standard. It's quick, delicious, and makes you feel amazing. Even on the most chaotic mornings, you can enjoy a gourmet, fat-burning breakfast that supports your goals and fits your schedule. It's ready faster than your morning coffee, and it does so much more for your body and mind. So tomorrow morning, skip the empty carbs and give yourself the gift of real nourishment. Get in the kitchen, make this soup, and start your day as the best version of yourself. Lunch, the meal where most busy people slip up. It's the time of day when your energy dips, your schedule is packed, and the temptation to grab something quick, but not necessarily healthy, can be overwhelming. Whether you're at your desk, on the go, or in between meetings, it's easy to fall into the trap of sad, uninspired lunches that leave you feeling sluggish and unsatisfied. Forget sad sandwiches or skipping meals. There's a better way to fuel your afternoon. Try the Yuzu-Sesame chicken rice paper roll, a lunch that's as vibrant and energizing as your busiest day. It's a game changer for anyone who wants to eat well, even when time is tight. It's crunchy, refreshing, and ready in 10 minutes. Each bite bursts with flavor and texture, making it feel like a treat, not a compromise. You'll love how the crisp veggies and tender chicken come together in a light, satisfying package. Use leftover or quickly pan-fried chicken breast, seasoned simply with salt and pepper, or your favorite spices. This makes it easy to use what you have on hand, cutting down on prep time and food waste. For the dressing, just mix yuzu juice, sesame oil, soy sauce, and a touch of honey. The yuzu brings a bright citrusy zing, while the sesame oil adds a nutty depth. The honey balances everything with a hint of sweetness. This simple dressing not only boosts digestion and adds healthy fats, but also ties all the flavors together. It's light, yet deeply satisfying, and you'll want to drizzle it on everything. Prep your veggies. Think crisp cucumber, sweet carrot, crunchy red cabbage, and a handful of fresh mint and coriander. These add color, crunch, and a burst of freshness that wakes up your palate and keeps you feeling light. Soak a rice paper sheet in warm water until it's soft and pliable. This only takes a few seconds, and it's actually kind of fun, like a mini kitchen ritual that signals a break in your busy day. Lay down your herbs, chicken, and veggies on the softened rice paper. Don't overfill. Just a little of each ingredient goes a long way. Drizzle with that tangy Yuzu-Sesame dressing for a flavor punch in every bite. Roll it up tight, like a burrito, but lighter and healthier. The rice paper holds everything together, so you can eat it with your hands, no mess, no fuss. You'll see vibrant colors peeking through the translucent rice paper, proof that you're about to eat something fresh and nourishing. These rolls are handheld, mess-free, and need no reheating. They're perfect for eating at your desk, in the park, or even in your car between appointments. High protein from the chicken keeps you full and focused, yuzu aids digestion, and the rice paper keeps it light. You get all the nutrients you need without the heavy feeling that comes from typical takeout. Make a few in advance. Just wrap them in a damp towel and store airtight in the fridge. They'll stay fresh and ready to grab whenever hunger strikes. Perfect for meal prep and busy days. You can pack them in your lunchbox, take them to work, or even bring them on a road trip. They're the ultimate portable power lunch. Stop settling for junk lunches or greasy fast food. This is your upgrade. A lunch that's as good for your body as it is for your taste buds. Delicious, fast, and will help you get that flat belly. Beautiful. With every bite, you'll feel energized, satisfied, and ready to take on the rest of your day, no matter how busy it gets. Dinner, the final meal, and the most tempting to mess up. After a long day, it's easy to reach for something quick and unhealthy. But what if you could have a meal that's not only quick, but also helps you burn fat while you sleep? Skip the greasy takeaway. Make a spicy Ginger Sardine Somen Bowl in minutes. This dish is not just fast, it's packed with nutrients that work wonders for your body. Sardines are packed with omega-3s, fat-melting, anti-inflammatory, and require zero cooking. These tiny fish are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a high dose of protein and essential fatty acids. Use tinned sardines in olive oil. Just open the tin. The oil adds a rich flavor and healthy fats that are good for your heart and waistline. Somen noodles cook in under 2 minutes. Boil, stir, drain, rinse. These thin light noodles are perfect for a quick meal and won't leave you feeling heavy. While noodles cook, grate fresh ginger boosts metabolism and digestion. Ginger adds a spicy kick and is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. In a bowl, mix ginger, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and chili flakes. This combination creates a tangy, spicy sauce that elevates the dish. Add sardines and their oil. Break up gently. Toss with the sauce. The sardines absorb the flavors, making each bite delicious and nutritious. Drain noodles, rinse, and add to the bowl. The noodles are the perfect base, light and ready to soak up the flavorful sauce. Spoon the spicy sardine, mix over the noodles. Each spoonful adds a burst of flavor and a dose of healthy fats and protein. Top with sliced spring onions and toasted sesame seeds. These add a fresh crunch and a nutty flavor, completing the dish. This meal is salty, spicy, and deeply satisfying. It's a perfect balance of flavors and textures that will leave you feeling full and happy. Omega-3s burn fat overnight, ginger and chili fire up your metabolism, and protein keeps you full. This combination makes it an ideal dinner for weight loss and overall health. Somen noodles give just enough carbs to satisfy without heaviness. They are light, easy to digest, and perfect for a late-night meal. Ready in 5 minutes. Comforting, slimming, and perfect for busy nights. This meal fits seamlessly into any hectic schedule. End your day with this, not regret. A meal that nourishes your body and soul, leaving you satisfied and ready for a restful night. The spicy Ginger Sardine Somen Bowl is your new weeknight champion. Beautiful, nutritious, and incredibly easy to make. There you have it. 3 meals under 30 minutes total. No more excuses. You've seen how fast and delicious eating for a flat belly can be. From the matcha egg drop soup to the yuzu chicken roll and the Somen Bowl, this is efficiency, flavor, and results. These aren't just recipes. They're a system for busy professionals who want the best. You don't have to choose between success and health. These meals are your secret weapon for more energy, focus, and a leaner body. Stop watching. Start cooking. Try one today. See how easy it is. Transform how you eat, even on your busiest days. This is your first step. Don't mess it up.